Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your broken Windows home group. Okay, so if you've done the Windows 10 update, the April 2018 update, you'll probably find that your Windows home group settings are completely ruined, and you can no longer see any of your plug-and-play shares or network shares. So, what can you do? Well, the answer is pretty easy to fix. Just follow these simple instructions and you should have all your network shares back up and running. Okay, so you're going to need to be in front of your computer, and if you go to the search bar at the bottom and type in services.msc, now you'll probably find when you type in services you'll find the icon for the services application, so click on that, and when the services app is open, what you need to do is to scroll down to these two services. Now the first one is Function Discovery Provider Host, and the next one is underneath it, which is Function Discovery Resource Publication. Now both of these services are basically what tell the rest of your network who your PC is, where it is, and the shares that are available. So if you go into Function Discovery Provider Host, and into the service and set the startup as being automatic, then click Start, then click Apply and OK, and then do the same for Function Discovery Resource Publication. So set it to automatic, click Start, click Apply, then OK. This, in 99% of all cases, will get your network working again, and you'll be able to see your icons in File Explorer if you click on Network. Now, if you're actually using other plug-and-play devices such as NAS, or say for instance your Xbox One that you want to share files to, you'll also need to update the plug-and-play settings for networking. So in the Services box again, scroll down to SSDP Discovery, and again, same deal, click on the service, set it to start automatically, click Start, then Apply, then OK, and then scroll down to UPNP Device Host, and again, same deal, click on Startup to be automatic, then click Start, then click Apply, then click OK. So by enabling these four services, you should have all your network devices up and running and be visible on your network. So that's been how to fix the broken Windows home group in Windows 10. If you've got any more networking questions or you've got some comments, put them in the section below, or send me an email to mike@mikesunboxing.com and I'll try and help you as best I can. In the meantime, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.